Are you searching for the best magnetic induction heater? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best magnetic induction heater in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, 1500W Magnetic Induction Heater. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. New Portable Flameless Induction Heater. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. ZASBIN 1000W Flameless Electromagnetic Mini Induction Heater. Preheat become attached or rusted fasteners and parts that need to be separate, straighten small hail and other similar dents without painting paint layer without breaking the car, removal of strip on auto body parts when you restore or straightening, burning silent blocks, pressed on beams running gear or other machinery and equipment. Heat treatment of metal parts, hardening, tempering, normalizing, pressing bearings on a hot landing, as well as flowability, snidey small laminated glass sealants for metal, removing glued on painted metal spoilers, moldings, stickers.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. 1000W Magnetic Induction Heater Bolt Remover. 1000W Magnetic Induction Heater Bolt Remover Repair Machine Tool. Screw Tool Bolt Heat Remover Toolkit.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. 1.5 kW Induction Heater Screws. This induction heater is designed to solve the problem of rusted metal disassembly. Its 1,500 watts of power and 750 degrees Celsius heat can easily remove stuck or corroded parts and adhesives without having to rely on a potentially dangerous torch or open flame to get the job done. It helps you increase productivity in a safer, more reliable, and more efficient way. High heating efficiency. The induction heater heats metal through alternating magnetic fields, which is faster, more precise, and more efficient than the oxyacetylene system. Its maximum power of 1,500 watts allows it to heat up to 750 degrees Celsius, which can easily disassemble various metal parts. High safety. The magnetic induction heater does not produce flame during the heating process, which reduces the probability of accidents and ensures your work safety. The induction heater only reacts to metal, not to the human body, which can effectively avoid burns. Excellent heat dissipation. The heat dissipation fan inside the induction heater can effectively reduce the working temperature, which extends the product's service life. Handheld heating. The induction heater is handheld with a non-slip ergonomic casing, so you won't feel tired when holding it for a long time, making you more comfortable.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.